Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and another painting video. This is the first ever painting in the year 2021 from my channel, and today I am going to paint this beautiful lady with wearing beautiful jewelries and a beautiful sari. And today I am using a different kind of painting paper, not a canvas or an acrylic painting paper, but I am using a watercolor painting paper, which in the end of this video I am going to share you the feedback. So in case if you want to see how the acrylic color holds on watercolor sheets, then how the result it will be. So I have traced this painting on the sheet, which is a painting paper, watercolor painting paper, and I have started with coloring the background with an acrylic yellow color, and right now I am using pearl acrylic green color to color the blouse of this beautiful lady, and later on will come with the border of the sari and the sari color with the other jewelry and the hair of this beautiful lady. So let's start and enjoy the painting. I have completed coloring the blouse, and now I am going to color the border of the sari with a magenta acrylic color, which later on I am going to shade and attract it with the silver glass outliners to make it more prominent and beautiful. And I will be using a bright vibrant red color for the sari, which will give a very good combination of magenta, red and green of the clothing of this beautiful lady. I am using this word again and again, this beautiful lady, because she is beautiful. Look at her face. She has beautiful eyes and a beautiful lips as well. If you love my paintings, then please do subscribe to my channel. This is like a motivation which every time I get from all of you. I never thought of starting an art channel, that too on YouTube, but when I saw the love and the motivation I'm getting from you people, it allows me to continue with more such artworks, and it's really fun and it's really loving, and it makes me happy to see when the subscriber count goes up. So please subscribe to my channel and support me. For the hairs, I am using pearl black color, which comes from acrylic color itself. It will give a little shine to the hairs, and she has long hairs. So I thought of painting, coloring it with this shiny black color so that it will be more beautiful. Now we'll color the skin of this beautiful lady, and for this I have used orange and amount of white color. So orange is in a very little proportion so that it can give you a light subtle skin color. So and after coloring the whole portion of the body, then we'll highlight it with a little darker version of skin color, which will be the same proportion of white but with a little extra proportion of orange. So you can see and follow the steps how I have highlighted the skin. If you like my videos and if you enjoy my paintings, then you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram handle is the Good Art Studio, which I'll be mentioning down below, and also you can follow me on Facebook. I have a Facebook page too with the same name, the Good Art Studio. We'd love to see you over there. Now I'm going to fill the beads over the blouse and the sari border with this silver 3D outliner. Uh, Recently, I have used the same nozzle for a black outliner, and so it is giving an effect of little bit of blackish color. But later on, I have fixed that out, and you can see on the sari border it will be coming now as silver. So it was quite difficult because I have only one nozzle right now. I need to buy more so that I can avoid this kind of issues. Now let's color the bangles, and I have used the same combination as her sari for the bangles as well, that is red and green color. Now I'm going to prominent the jewelries with golden glass outliners. Before I thought of actually using some Minas over it, but since I was using the watercolor painting sheet, I thought that let us skip those Mina work this time because it is a paper and sometimes the Minas will fall out from the papers. So I have used the outliners itself, and this is also looking beautiful. So let's complete this and see how does it look. This part you really have to be very careful, and for this I have used a number 2 round brush, which is the finest brush I have right now. I also have zero number brush but from other company, which is not that good quality, and I think after using it for 3 or 4 times already, the quality has gone, the brush has become rough, so I'm not using it anymore. So I have used this number 2 round brush only, and you have to be very careful for the eyes because these are very fine lines and any extra amount of color can spoil it. So for the eyes and lips I have used the same number brush. My painting is done, and now since I thought that the background was little empty and it was not that clean because you can see there are little bit of blue color which came actually when I was tracing the portrait. So I thought of fill it with little designs, and later on I have border it with copper color 3D outliner. So it is looking beautiful as well, you can check it out. Finally, I thought to give some white designs on the sari pallu. So, because it was looking very plain, and after doing this, it is actually looking very bright. And I have used a white gel color pen to make these circles on the border. My painting is finally ready, and now let me share you the feedback of the painting paper which I have used. I have taken a brand named Anupam with A5 size and a quality of 200 GSM watercolor painting sheet. My feedback is like it is good for one time use but not for acrylic colors. This is good for watercolors only. Since my portrait was of this size, and so I have used this paper. If actually it is not quite visible, but the paper has little bit popped out, and the paper was also coming out actually while I was using the water. So now this is the close look of today's artwork. I hope you have loved it and you have also wanted to recreate it for yourself. And in case you do it and put it on your channel and on social media, then please give proper credit to the original creator of this video. And I hope you all are good and take care of yourselves. See you very soon in the next painting session. Thanks for watching and bye.